It's mine. It's mine, all mine. Resident Evil 4 demo, bruh. This is the Resident Evil 4 demo. We made it. I'm doing this video alone simply because nobody else wants to do it. But I'm doing it. And it's mine. I have it. It's the demo to Resident Evil 4. This is, oh my gosh. Okay, I don't care. I don't care about any of these. I do not consent. Privacy policy. No. Just confirm. No. Oh my gosh. I consent. I consent. Data can. I do not flipping care. Oh my gosh. Let me play. Let me play. Oh my gosh. This better not take forever. I'm here. I made it. I made it. We made it. The Resident Evil fandom has made it. Capcom
September
presents.
30th, 1998.
Oh my gosh.
It's a day I'll never forget.
Oh, they have flashbacks of Resident Evil 2.
That night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
Oh my gosh.
Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government
Oh
program.
my god.
Not that I had a choice.
Yo, that looks like RE6, Leon.
Punishing missions
Oh my
nearly
god.
killed me.
Cruiser!
My mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain. Even for a second. This time, it can
This
be
better not be no
different.
30-minute demo.
It has to.
Look at that cutie. Oh my gosh. Let me play. I don't care. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter, Baby Eagle. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma cannot prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find here. Yes, it could. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yes, it. Oh. So they died. No, they didn't die. Not yet. At least. Yo. Please, I don't want it to be a time demo. Just let me play it. I have a weapon. Do I have a weapon? What's my inventory button? Guys, I haven't played any Resident Evil games on computer before. I don't care. Are those original crow noises? I hear a rat, rat, rat. Oh, I can't even go. Okay. Rat, rat.
How far could he have gone?
I kind of want to kill some of these roaches. Ugh. Look at that swabber-dabber. Let me go. Let me go. Oh my gosh. I'm here. This feels like Resident Evil. Okay, it is Resident Evil. Guys, my excitement is getting to my head. It's oh my gosh. I keep pressing E to open doors. Look at this. This feels like the evil within. I'm gonna be for real with y'all.
Anyone home?
No one's home, Leon. Shut up. Oh wait, hold up. Oh my gosh. I'm playing the Resident Evil 4 remake demo. Oh my. Crew charm judgment is nigh. How can you read that? I mean, I guess it's like, don't they speak Spanish? Or is it Italian? Un palacero! Oh, wait, I don't want a cutscene yet. I didn't know this led to a cutscene. This is... I'm gonna have to see that man, right? Oh my god. Pull out that gun. Pull out that Glocky.
Busco a polícia. Vino aqui?
So he does speak the language that they speak. Oh, he killed him. Parry! Parry that nigga! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh my goodness me! Oh, he broke his neck! Look at this man, bodied. He gonna come back though. Ooh, who's dying? I'll see you later. Give me that Lonzo.
Good.
Oh my goodness me. Let me, oh yeah, okay. I don't care. Close that. I wanna fight people. Wait, yep, he's dead. Wait, let me confirm. Oh. Confirm that he's dead? Fuck. My gosh. I'm here. Oh, flashlight. Let me play the whole game, please. I do not want this to end. Oh my god. Can I play this multiple times or can I only play it once? I really want to play it multiple times.
Hey.
Look at him. He dead. He gone. He turning too. See that purple?
I read you. What's your situation?
What? What's your situation? Ah! Sorry. Yo, it's Leon, bro. They are killing Leon's voice right now.
What was that?
Ooh, this is the part. Now I'm gonna have better aim.
No fucking way.
Okay, no, I have no better aim. Look at it's still moving. Pick the poo. I need ammo. Oh, I need ammo. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is dope. Oh, is that Ashley? Yep, that's Ashley. How did you just gonna take a picture of her?
Bruce,
That's.
this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
I keep hearing original sounds and I love it.
It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Shining! The Shining! Oh my god!
I'll let myself out.
Let me play this part. Throw it at me. Huh? Good, bro? Don't tell me that was it. I was about to say, please let me play more. Yo. Look at the length. Oh yeah. Gunpowder. I can use that to make more ammo. Why did a bird have... You know what, I don't even care. It's Resident Evil 4. Oh my, handgun ammo. What's in this one? Alright, I don't think they're gonna let me. How do I pull out my knife? Oh, okay, that's how I pull out my knife. Wait, what? What? Wait. Oh. Gunpowder. Oh, I can't save yet because it's a demo. Crap. Shoot. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. Buffalo. Saddler. Oh, Saddler. So, have they still confirmed, like, is this the dog that, yeah, I think that's him. Yep. That's the dog that Leon saved and helped him during the I forgot their names. The Gigants, Gigants. This old ass car, bruh. Pesetas. There's gonna be so much Spanish in this game. I hear them over there. Oh. How do I... Melee! Oh my gosh! Oh, I just did the stupid thingy thing! Oh my... I'm parrying. I'm him. Oh my gosh. Oh, he dead. Oh wait, hold on. How do I? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that nigga died to one kick. He couldn't take it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I stepped right into that. That is crazy. That is crazy. Wait, how much health do I have now? Oh, I have the same amount. Oh yeah, I remember you. Just camping in here. Yeah, you were waiting for me to come in, huh? Yeah, you mad you couldn't come in, huh? You mad I didn't come in, huh? Yeah. Take that. You give me a lot of handgun ammo. Flash grenade. So now I know what to do with the tentacle ones. I'm so mad I don't remember the names of these certain monsters. Oh my gosh. I cannot stop talking. Usually I'm quiet in my videos, but this is something different. Oh, this is it. Ooh.
They burning his ass. Yep.
Holy shit.
That's crazy.
Bah! Bah!
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Yep. Yep. What's up? What's up? I'm gonna do a Red Dead Redemption on y'all. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. All right. So you get kicked. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh shoot. All right. I did that to myself. Oh, I'm about to hate this knife durability. All right. So I can do this and do the thing where you hit the thing and then they run.
Bill me for the repairs later.
Bill me for the repairs later. Yeah, bill me for the repairs later, bum. Oh my gosh. Oh, she died to one hit. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Take that. Oh, yeah, take that. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. I'm about to die. Okay, relax. Because this is crazy. Nah, this is actually crazy. Hold on. They actually about to kill me. Wait. Relax. Wait, hold on. Chill out. Wait, chill out. I'm not trying to die this early. They should make demos like if you die then the demo stops. Like just let me play the whole game until I die. I'll be making alt accounts and everything. I'll be playing the whole game.
It's my lucky day.
Alright, I gotta find a nerve somewhere. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Oh, nice. Next.
Wait, he just... Okay. Let me over there! Oh yeah. I'm actually about to die. This is actually insane. Oh shoot. Back up. Wait. I got a shotgun. Oh sh. Okay, that death animation is kind of butt, but I'll let it slide. I'll let it slide. It's the demo. They might change some stuff. Oh my, yeah, I messed up right there. I messed up right there. I'm not even gonna look through the freaking scope. I'm gonna just shoot that while it's in your hand. Never mind. What? What's up? What are you looking at? What you think? Who do you think you're looking at? You looked at me incorrectly. You have to pay for that. Okay, relax. If I can't get through this part in the demo, what makes you think I'm gonna get through it in the actual game?
Bill me for the repairs later.
Oh, yeah, take that. Why is the cow here? Why is the cow there? Oh my gosh. I'm playing it. Can I camp up there again? Like how I did in the original? Like. Alright, so let me do this over. This time I'm not gonna die in 2 seconds. Alright, I can skip this cutscene now.
It's my lucky day.
Ooh. How do I access my inventory? Let me access my inventory. I can't. I do not know how to access my inventory. I do not know how to access my inventory. Oh, ooh, ooh. Wait, get rid of that. Okay, okay, okay. I don't want to do this. How do I... What did I just do? Get out of Steam. No. Return to game. Alright, there we go. I don't care about crafting right now. I don't have the luxury and time. Oh,
nice. Next.
Oh my gosh. Kick down that ladder. Oh, shoot! My knife is broken. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! What the flip? Ow! That kind of hurt, man. Alright, play fair, bro. Play fair. Boom. Bam. Bam. I don't think I'm playing fair. Oh, yeah. Both y'all get off that building. Alright, you gotta relax, though. Ow! Okay, I'm jumping off. Drop down! Oh, drop down! Drop down! Drop down, Leon! Drop down! Okay. Oh my gosh. Yo, Leon was blowing mine just now. I gotta go up here. Wait, does she have a... No, I don't even care. Yo, this part is so hard. Oh, what the flip? That don't even... That... Nah. They removed... You can't camp up there anymore. Oh my gosh, I'm having the fun of my life. What do you mean you gotta be kidding me? Leon, what happened? Oh, that's why you missed. That's why you... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yo, that kill animation was dope, but I actually gotta beat this. I'm having too much fun to the point where I can't even be good at the game. Hold on. Hold up. Let's... Hold on. Damn. So when are they gonna, like... Bitch. That's crazy. I'm missing point blank. Oh my gosh, they already got me.
It's my lucky day.
Okay. Get out of this. Alright. Because I'm starting to suck at video games. Let me stop sucking at video games right now. Oh shoot! Get out! Oh god, I almost died. I didn't take the shotgun. I did not take the shotgun. Alright, damn. Move, bitch. Move! Bro, move! Like you are meat munching. Alright. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Alright, bro. Oh my god! Yo, okay. I suck at this game. No way. I'm failing on the. Nah, this is crazy. Nah, this is actually crazy. Can I please be able to play this multiple times? Like, this is kind of mean. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fundament my life. I said 200. It's 300, not 200. Today's my lucky day. Today is not your lucky day, I'm gonna be honest. Like, you are in a very bad situation with very bad people to be in a very bad situation with. Oh, nice.
Let's see you climb this. One down.
Shoot it, Leon! Ah! Get out! Okay. Oh my gosh. Bong! I know that hurt. I know that hurt. I know that hurt. I know that hurt too. I know that hurt 3. I know that hurt 4. Ugh. I want to knock him off the building like I did the first time. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, okay, okay. I need to stop. I need to stop. No, he's not feeling this. He's not feeling this, Leon. I'm not feeling it either. So I need you to break through here, hop over there, and not die. Oh, it's like RE6. Like the melee is just clicking, but the gun is pointing and clicking. See what I mean? No, 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 no. Okay. That. Oh wait, oh wait. Oh shit. Yo. They kinda bullshit me right now. Oh, yeah, get out of here, get out of here. What you looking at? I want to punch him. Oh, okay, they're not letting me punch him. They better keep the line in, please keep the line in. Come on, Leon, say it. This is literally like. Come on, Leon, say it. Come on. I know you want to say it. Come on. I'm reading your lips without you actually saying anything. You want to say it. Don't do this to me. You can't say it now. Shit. Alright then, Leon.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Let's go! He said it. Oh my gosh. Yo, I cannot wait for this game to come out. Nah, this is actually crazy. I died 2 times in the process, but Jesus Christ. Oh, can I play it again? Can I play it again? Can I play it again? No. Don't say thank you for playing. I know when it's available. I can play it again. Can I play it again? I can play it. I can. This is the end of this video, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next episode. Oh my gosh. Peace out. We'll probably be playing more for that security breach, but I don't even care at this point, bro. All I care about is Leon and RE4 Remake, bro. I've been waiting forever for this, bro. See y'all in the next video. Yo, this is actually insane. Like this demo doesn't compare to the other Resident Evil demos, but it's like it's better than them. That's what I'm trying to say. That's the end of this video, though. Oh my goodness me. Cowabunga.